Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video, I share with you some cozy farmhouse decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Cozy farmhouse decor is a style of interior design that blends the warmth and simplicity of traditional farmhouse living with a comfortable, inviting, and lived-in feel. It focuses on creating spaces that feel homey, welcoming, and relaxed, often with a mix of rustic elements, soft textures, and personal touches. Here's a detailed breakdown. Key features of cozy farmhouse decor: warm, natural color palette, soft whites, creams, beige, taupe, and muted grays. Occasional earth tones like soft greens, browns, or muted blues. Natural materials: wood, especially reclaimed or distressed, for floors, furniture, and accents. Stone, brick, or shiplap walls. Linen, cotton, or wool for textiles. Rustic furniture: large, sturdy wooden tables, benches, and cabinets. Comfortable, overstuffed sofas, and armchairs with silk covers. Vintage or antique pieces mixed with modern comforts. Soft textiles and layering. Cozy throws, quilts, cushions, and rugs. Layering of fabrics for a warm, inviting feel. Patterns like gingham, stripes, or floral in muted tones. Functional and charming decor. Mason jars, wooden crates, wicker baskets, and pottery. Farmhouse style lighting like lanterns or woods and fixtures. Open shelving to display dishes, books, or decor items. Personal and lived-in touches. Family photos, handmade crafts, and sentimental items. Plants and fresh flowers to add life and warmth. Seasonal decorations that feel natural and simple. Use a neutral, warm color palette. Stick to whites, creams, soft grays, tubes, and muted earthy tones. Add soft pops of color with cushions, rugs, or decor items. Add rustic wooden elements. Use reclaimed or distressed wood for furniture, shelves, and accent features. A wooden dining table for farmhouse-style coffee table instantly adds charm. Layer textiles for warmth. Add cozy throws, quilts, cushions, and area rugs. Mix textures like linen, cotton, and wool for a soft, inviting feel. Mix vintage and modern features. Incorporate antique or vintage furniture with modern, comfortable features. Example: an old wooden cabinet with a comfy slip-covered sofa. Display natural elements. Use plants, fresh flowers, or dried flowers in simple vases. Wooden bowls, wicker baskets, and pottery can add natural texture. Incorporate farmhouse lighting, lantern style lamps, outside on candeliers, or addition wall fixtures create warmth. Thanks for watching this video.